Yo, yeah, 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 yo, and yeah, yay. Guys, I'm super sorry about the technical difficulties. I've been having that for the last week or so, that's why I haven't uploaded. Psych, I've been at spring break with my baseball team. I did get some stuff from Supreme Week 7, the North Face, and Supreme collaboration, and I did pick up a restock on the Supreme Week 6 drop. So without any further ado, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the Supreme Spring Summer 2018 season. And let's go ahead and jump into the video. Okay guys, I guess we'll start out with a little unboxing from Supreme Week 6. Now I did pick up something from Supreme Week 6. Now I didn't get it on the initial release, like I said, at 11 o'clock. But I already told you guys in my last video that I was going to be on Supreme Community, hitting up those restocks. Whenever they come out, they send me a notification with stuff restocks. Try to get on it, set up my VPN really fast, get on it, jump in there, type everything in. And I did end up copying something, so let's go ahead and just open that up. Alrighty guys, as you can see, I got that right here. I marked out all my information so you guys can't know where I live, because that would be kind of creepy. But let's go ahead and just crack open the packaging. Let's go ahead, right there and right there. Now I am super sorry about not being able to produce a live cop, Supreme Week 7 live cop from the North Face drop. It was last week, yeah, last week Thursday, because like I said, I was on spring break with my baseball team and I didn't really have the chance to film me trying to get the stuff because it was really in a pinch. But let's just go ahead and jump into what I got off the Supreme Community app, off the restocks. Right here we got the Supreme Ladybug Tee, and now I will not be taking this any further out of the packaging just because I'm going to be selling it as dead stock. Don't know if it's going to be through StockX. I think I have a friend that wants it. But let's just, before we get into the stickers, because I saw there was some stickers in there, so that's pretty cool. But before we get into anything else, I noticed a little something different, and a lot of people were noticing a lot of stuff different with these Supreme tags and the t-shirts, saying that they're not made out of 100% cotton anymore. They are a 90% cotton and 10% polyester, so they are making them a little bit bigger. And it's not it is pre-shrunk cotton and polyester, so these will not be shrinking at all or even that much. So I wish I could take this out of the bag for you guys just to tell you how it fits, but a lot of people were telling me and throughout the community that the Supreme just regular t-shirts are fitting bigger than usual just because they got that 10% polyester in them and it's like a different kind of t-shirt. But that's about it for the t-shirt. It is the Supreme Ladybug Tee. Got it in a size large. Yeah, that's about it. But I do notice, like I said, with the tag, I got the Supreme Plant Tee from last season, and it says 100% cotton. I don't even think it says pre-shrunk on it. Maybe I'll throw up a picture in post editing so you guys can see it. But let's go ahead and get into the rest of the bag. It did come in the Supreme bag, the small Supreme bag. And like always, we got our small Supreme BOGO. Get these in every single little release that they do. And we got 3 more stickers in here. We got the TV sticker. Now I'm pretty happy to get this sticker just because I really wanted the t-shirt. Glad I got the TV sticker. Let's put that over here. And then we also have the Ladybug sticker that came with the shirt. I know that there was a lot of these. A lot of people were getting them, like Cop and Ugly. I know they got a lot. They got 3, I think, but they got a lot more stuff from week 6 than I did. But so I did get 1 Ladybug, and we also got 1 more in here. I think this is the non-Goldie. I don't know how to say it, but there's the sticker. It's not a girl, if you guys were wondering. It's definitely not a girl. It's a guy. So don't get your hopes up. But anyways, let's go ahead and talk about what happened Supreme Week 7 during my chances of getting the Supreme North Face nice Tin Man parka along with the t-shirts and the sweatshirts. Now, not much I can say or show you because my screen recording, again, just stopped working. I don't know what it is with the Apple screen recording, but it like whenever I use it, and sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't, because you guys see the Supreme like live cops from my phone that I do in school. But like whenever I go to the Supreme checkout page, it just stops recording and doesn't save any of the footage that I capture. But I was sitting up there in Florida on the balcony. It was 10:59, constantly refreshing. I went into my VPN service. I turned that on, get a server nearby. So I changed my IP address, of course, and I go back to the site. It's already 11, so I'm a little bit late. But I think I'm pretty sure it just turned 11 because I got a large Supreme North Face parka in my cart. I think it was the gold one. I think it was the gold one. Got it in my cart. I used filler and it filled it out, and I'm pretty sure it was close to under 10 seconds. My whole team was watching me from behind, but it did not go through. It gave me a card decline, which just meant that it's sold out. So I automatically just removed that from my cart because I already know it's sold out. Now I did have the chance to get the t-shirt, but I really didn't look at the retail or resale Twitter page. I'll link them down in the description below. They're really good for telling you guys the retail and the resale of what it's going to be, the predictions and stuff like that. But I just skipped right over the t-shirt because I didn't think it was going to resell that well. But that was a big bummer because it is reselling. It's about going for like 150 bucks on StockX right now. But I did go back into accessories. I've copped the nightlight and the stamp, the Supreme stamp, so that's pretty cool. I'll have those coming in, I think, Wednesday. So guys, just stick around. I'm super sorry for not uploading all this last week. I was just in Florida and I didn't have any of my camera equipment with me, just my phone and my laptop, so I'm super sorry about that, guys. But make sure you guys subscribe for more great content. I'm trying to get better and upload more frequently on the channel. So guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.